Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you for your attention. First of all, introduce myself. I'm Lilianti from Class B. I will explain about my proposal with the title is an analysis the relationship between the phonics-based method and pronunciation skill in reading English text. Next. Next, chapter 1, background. Reading is a process of matching letters or pronouncing written language letters, and where reading is also a process carried out and used by readers to obtain message conveyed by the author through written language media. The concept of reading comprehension could be bottom-up and top-down approaches. Phonics is a way of teaching children how to read and write. It helps children hear, identify, and use different sounds that distinguish one word from another in the English language. When spelling words, students must segment the word. In reading, most students have difficulty in pronouncing and word stress, and students sometimes have difficulty understanding the meaning of the text that is read. Next. Problem identification. There are two problems to get in the background. The first, how is the relationship between the phonics method and pronouncing in reading English text? The second, what difficulties do students experience in reading English text? Next. Next. Problem limitation and formulation. The research tries to make observations about how to use the phonics method in reading English text and how the relationship between the phonics method and pronunciation skill and how the teacher applied this method in learning. The research formulation in the study is there are special effects of phonics methods on pronunciation skill in reading English text, as well as what difficulties are experienced by students in reading English text. Next. Research objective. The first, the study aims to determine the relationship between the phonics method and students' pronunciation skill in reading English text. The second, to find difficulties experienced by students in reading English text. Next. Research benefits. The first, theoretically benefit. This research is expected to contribute to layers which include theoretical aspect and practical elements. Theoretically, this research can provide an overview of word stress in pronouncing a word in reading text. The second, practical benefits. For English teacher, to give an overview to the teacher about students' word stress in pronouncing a word in reading text. For students, help students provide several ways to learn English. And the last, for next research, enrich and expand the research knowledge in the matter of word stress in the pronunciation of a word. Next. Chapter 2, Literature Review. The first, previous related studies. The second, theoretical framework. Next. Previous study. The first, Hakim 2012. In his journal, An Analysis of Phonetic BDGG, and into English pronouns for Java students as study on Java students and English department on Stein Bengkulu state that 30 male students out of a total of 30 students still use Javanese as an emphasis when they speak English. The second, Weda 2012, who did a research about stress shifts of English utterance made by Indonesian speakers of English, state that the word that undergo shift are monosyllabic words, disyllabic word, three-syllabic word, and word with prefix. The third, Wiramartaka 2021, who did a research about tantangan pembelajaran bahasa Inggris pada aspek berbicara pada sekolah pariwisata dalam masa pandemi. The next. Work. Phonics method is a way of teaching writing by teaching multisensory letters, then use the synthetic of sound to read the word. Type of phonics method. The first type, analytic phonics, and the second type, synthetic phonics. Next. Chapter 3, Research Methodology. The first, research type and design. The second, research schedule and location. The third, population and sample. 4, operational definition and variable. 5, research procedure. 6, research instrument. And the last, data analysis technique. Next. Research type and design. Research type. The research will employ a quantitative research method in the study. Quantitative research is a form of study that employs statistics to determine the outcome of the study and on respondents to collect data. Quantitative research examines the link between variables to test objective idea. Second, research design. The experimental quantitative research will use in the study. The study employs a group experiment to determine the outcome or chance when a treatment is administered. Research schedule and location. This research was conducted at Junior High School for Majene, Subdistrict Banggai Timur, District of Majene, Provinsi Sulawesi Barat. This research will be conducted when the activities of teaching assistants. Next. Population and sample. The population of this study will use the second grade students of SMP Negeri 4 Majene. There will 3 grades, first grade, second grade, and third grade. The research will choose second grade in this study. The sample selection will select randomly and easily with this technique, and all individuals of the population have the same chance of being employed as study sample. In this situation, the research will choose 2 classes. A control sample is 7A and an experiment sample 7B. Next. Operational definition and variable. The operational definition of the variables used in this research used to research the first phonics method. Lanapse Kyoto and Tiaxiria 2002, phonics method is one of the reading methods. The research teach children how the sounds of the letters and mix the sounds together to form the word. The second, pronunciation skill. Dr. Randa Dia Christina 2006 defined that pronunciation as the act or the manner in which the word is pronounced, the utterance of speech. In addition, pronunciation is a two-way production of skill itu sound and questionnaire. Next. Research procedure. The first pretest, the second treatment, the third post-test, and the last questionnaire. Okay, the next, research instrument. The data will gather using a test and questionnaire as the study instrument. The test is the first instrument. This stage includes two tests, a pretest and a post-test, each of which tells 20 questions. Correct answer receive a score of 4 in each item. Students would then receive 100 points if they answer all of the questions correctly. The questionnaire is the second tool. There are 20 questions in this study tool. Next. Data analysis technique. Research will use a test and questionnaire to get the results of the data analysis conduct. By using a test and questionnaire, research will be able to see students' skills in determining the reading sound of students in English. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.